Are you tired of bots hammering your site, eating up your bandwidth, and slowing things down for real visitors? Maybe you've spotted a specific IP address causing trouble in your analytics. Good news, you can block them in Cloudflare in under 2 minutes. Here is exactly how. We will log into Cloudflare, pick your domain, and create a custom security rule to block any IP address you want. It is straightforward, and you will be done before your next coffee break. So, start by opening your Cloudflare account. Head over to cloudflare.com and log in with your email and password. This will bring you to your main dashboard, where you can see all the websites you manage through Cloudflare. Now, next, choose the domain you want to work on. Just click on the domain name from that list, the one that is getting hit by the bad traffic. Click it once, and it will take you into that website's specific settings. Make sure you have the right domain, because blocking an IP on the wrong site obviously would not help. All right, once you are inside your domain settings, look for the security option in the left-hand sidebar. It is usually grouped with a shield icon. Click on Security. This opens up all the different ways Cloudflare can protect your site. Then, under Security, find the option that says Rules. Click on Security Rules. This is where you manage the custom logic for who can and cannot access your site. It is a powerful area, and once you are comfortable here, you can do a lot more than just block IPs. Now, here is the key part. Click on Create Rule, and then, from the drop-down menu, choose Custom Rule. This tells Cloudflare I want to write my own specific rule from scratch, not use one of their pre-built templates. This is where your hands-on control really shines. Go ahead and give your rule a name, something clear and descriptive, like block known bad actor or block IP from yesterday's attack. Naming it something logical will make it easy to find later if you ever need to edit or remove it. Type that into the rule name field. Now, pay attention to this one. On the field dropdown, you want to choose IP source address. This is the specific field that tells Cloudflare to look at where the incoming request is coming from. Do not choose something like country or ASN unless you need it. For blocking a single IP, you always want IP source address. Once you have that field selected, it is time to enter the IP address you want to block. Type it into the value box exactly as it appears in your logs. An example would be something like 192.168.1.1. Make sure you get every number and every dot correct. One wrong digit, and you could be blocking the wrong visitor. Then, for the action, choose Block. This is the instruction that tells Cloudflare what to do when a request matches your rule. You want it to stop that traffic completely, not just challenge it with a CAPTCHA or log it. So select Block from the drop-down menu. And here is the moment of truth. Finally, click the blue Deploy button. This makes your rule live instantly. Within seconds, anyone trying to access your site from that IP address will be turned away. You can watch your logs go quiet almost immediately. And that is it. You just went from being vulnerable to unwanted traffic to confidently blocking specific IP addresses in Cloudflare within just a couple of minutes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more quick, practical security fixes. I will catch you in the next one.